Jordan 2s don't get any love in the sneaker game. What's good, fam? Today we're back in the stew because we gotta discuss the true reason why Jordan 2s just never seem to become popular. It goes deeper than people just not liking the sneaker, and I want to talk about it in this video. Now, if you guys do end up enjoying this one, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Let me know if you would like me to debunk any other sneakers on the channel, and also stay tuned because I am going to be picking the winner to the giveaway in one of the upcoming videos. But with all that being said, let's get straight to it. You get it? So about a week ago, I got this package from Nike. Temptation got the best of me, you feel me? I opened them already. So here we are with the Jordan 2 Chicago's. Pretty nice box, you feel me? Has like this cloud wings logo type vibe. I did get them in a size 10, as you can see right there on the tag. One thing that Jordan stopped doing is actually putting the pricing on the tags. I'm assuming that's because they probably want to change the price at any given moment. If they feel like some shit isn't gonna sell out, they're gonna be like, yo, put that bitch down, $210 instead of $220 type shit. Air Jordan 2 wings logo on the front of the box, pretty solid, not gonna lie. Open this up, bang, you do get this pamphlet little book action right here. I'm gonna go through it a little bit for y'all. I know that's not what you're here for. We do have the Jordan 2's Chicago's in their glory. I actually laced them because I feel like unlaced these shits look ridiculous. Like, come on, bro. Ain't nobody trying to see this right here. This should look like a skeleton. It look crazy. Going from the Jordan 1 Chicago's to the 2s in the Chicago colorway, there's definitely some notable differences. Main thing being the swoosh. They removed that shit. It ain't making. I don't know if it would have changed the overall perspective on this shoe, but at the end of the day, this is what we got right here. And I'm gonna break down the reason why I feel like this isn't as popular as this, besides the appeal. Obviously, when it came to the Jordan 2s, you can see that it's way more simplistic. It has a lot more padding right here on the ankle area. Almost looks like a skater sneaker. That's actually there for a reason. Around the time that the 2s released, Michael Jordan actually had an ankle injury, so he didn't really get to play in these that much, which I feel like added to the fact that this isn't a hype sneaker. Because if you really think about it, 1 through 14, 15 kinda have a lot of popularity behind it, but we never got acquainted with this sneaker. He didn't really do that much in this sneaker in his career. As far as accolades go, you can't really tie this back to his history, if that makes sense. Jordan was whooping ass in the ones, you feel me? A lot of Jordans actually have some history tied to it, like the Jordan 12 flu games, for example. He had the flu, homie still played. You could literally see the little sick face right there on the front. He was sick, still played, whooped some ass in these right here, you feel me? So that makes them more popular. Breads, we don't even gotta say too much about these. He was whooping ass in these right here, so it makes them more popular. I know I got the varsity red version, but the infrared whooped ass in those too. Y'all could kind of see the theme I'm going on here. Bread 11s whooped ass in them. Playoff 12s literally called the playoff 12s. Y'all get the theme here? And then there's the 2s, which have nothing tied to it besides Carmelo Anthony on the light blue pair. Literally, there's nothing special about these, and that's kinda what mentally made people not really fuck with 2s as time progressed. And it's crazy because Jordan Brand has been pumping these bitches out like crazy, bro. There's been a ton of really hyped collabs actually, and out of all of them, the only one that really did good was the off-white version. I feel like it's just because Virgil touched it, I'm not gonna lie. Ama Maniere, which debatably hasn't missed with their collabs, dropped the 2, and the 2 is going for damn near around retail. Union, which dropped the 1s, they dropped the 4s, which are both bangers, and then they dropped the 2, and the 2 is literally going for retail, maybe under type shit. So it's like, no matter what people do, it's just not hitting the same. And I sincerely feel like Jordan not being able to play in these had something to do with it, bro. It has to, because if we would have seen these back in the day, well, not me, because obviously I wasn't old enough, but like if people would have seen these when he was dunking on motherfuckers, these would have been more popular. Argue in the comments. But since he did have the ankle injury, these have like this thick ass padding right here. I was trying to tell y'all earlier, look at this shit, bro. Tight than a motherfucker, like big as f. And it's completely different to some of the other Jordans that we've seen. Like this one's a little more bulkier. It just looks like a prosthetic type shit. You feel what I'm saying? Personally, I do like them. That's why I bought them. But we're not gonna sit here and lie like people love these shits. People really don't, bro. Even this OG color is going for retail. Think about that shit. I understand these shits are like hella hyped or whatever, but these are not going for no retail. And even if they would have dropped a regular color like this of these, they would have never went for retail. You feel what I'm saying? That's why 2s just ain't it. I must say, if you're an OG sneakerhead, a Jordan collector, this is a sneaker that I would say you want to have in your collection. Here's what they look like on feet. Honestly, not too bad. I feel like they are a little bulky, but it's a white sneaker, so that's coming with the territory. A little bit of red on the back, Nike on there, boom. Black midsole, clean. Let me know what y'all think. Personally, I'm trying to build 1 through 15 at least, and then I'm gonna do a little collection of my 1 through 15, obviously. And this is one of the ones that I needed, bro. Being the OG color, I feel like it's a must. Honestly, people would have been dick riding if they would have added like a little vintage vibe to it or whatever. I feel like it couldn't have gone wrong with it, but I'm glad that I still got it nonetheless. Hey, people sleeping, it is what it is. We picked them up for retail. It did come with a little air freshener looking ass hang tag, Nike Air on one side, Jordan Wings logo on the other. You got almost like that snake skin type material on it, Nike Air on the inside. You got some rubber vibes on the back. It does say Nike on there as well. Then you got that PU leather on it. Nothing too special, you feel me? Not too plush, literally just smooth. This is probably the only Jordan that says your size on the bottom of the sneaker. It says size 10, which obviously I'm a size 10. Then you got that Nike, solid shoe. Honestly, for winter, you just can't go wrong with this one. I'm excited to see what other collabs they come out with. And hey, if I could pick them up for under retail, I might fuck around and have to scoop. I honestly am a fan of 2 lows as well. I feel like they just look a little better. It's a little less bulky. Let me know in the comments if y'all agree with what I had to say in this video. Now that I'm looking at them, you could kind of see some similarities from the 2s and the 3s. These little eyelets right here actually got carried on to the 3. You can see it right there. The outsole is kind of similar. Y'all can see the bottom right there is kind of similar. They just switched it up a little bit, obviously. And that's it for the similarities. I would choose the 3 over the 2 any day, you feel me? It does come with a little booklet right there, little Air Jordan vibes. Basically says the design of the sneaker. Y'all can pause it if you want to read it. Talks about the cushioning on it, called Air Wedge, PU midsole, better fit and stability, lighter weight sneaker supposedly compared to the Jordan 1. Then it shows like the whole sneaker broken down, which is actually a pretty clean touch. Air bubble, the rubber going around it, the little python, which a lot of people are comparing these to the Air Pythons. It's basically kind of the same sneaker, but this one has Jordan's branding on it on the front, the Wings logo. Python obviously just has Nike on it. This basically just shows all the little details on the sneaker. Then it has it in another language, which je m'appelle Kenneth. Yeah, man, let me know if y'all rocking with the 2s in the comments. This is probably the reason these flopped. Did y'all just decide to sleep? Do you even like 2s? Do you agree with what I've been saying in this video, or am I tripping? Let me know in the comments below. While you're down there, let's see if we could get this video to 70 likes. We're gonna start having a like going. Hey, if you hit it, homie might start dancing. You feel me? So let's hit the like goal and we could put out some more great content for y'all. These right here, 7 out of 10. Decent, you feel me? I gotta see if I'm actually end up wearing these. More content on the way always. Let me know in the comments what y'all would like to see on the channel. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow or maybe the next day. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.